Hello, my name is Javier, and this is my official entry into the Portal Woodworks Plywood Challenge. What is it? Stay tuned. David Jones from Portal Woodworks has issued his yearly Plywood Challenge. I decided this was the perfect opportunity to make myself a practical tool I'll be using on an upcoming build project. In the upcoming months, I will be embarking on a house build in a video series entitled The Move to Lone Hickory Meadow. It's a working title. I'll be walking my viewers through everything from land surveys to purchasing property and designing and building your own home. I recently received some emails showcasing an equal space divider. Unfortunately, due to the limited size of that particular tool, it was impractical for my purposes, so I designed a larger and more practical model on Vectrix CNC software. When it comes to laying out the stud walls, having a large enough tool that can quickly lay out the stud locations on the bottom plate will come in quite handy. Similarly, after the walls are up, the tool can be placed on the wall to mark the drywall location of the drywall screws or any other equal space task at a glance. As you can see, the CNC first cuts out the appropriate pocket holes for the recessed nuts and bolt heads. It then cuts out the through holes and the through slots on the pieces, and finally, it cuts out the profile of each piece. I then use my laminating router to remove the tabs. I proceed to sand all the pieces in order that the tool operates smoothly. Finally, the assembly of the tool. As I'm using half-inch cabinet grade plywood, I'm using 1-inch and 1.5-inch ⅛ hex bolts on the pivot points where there are 2 pieces or 3 pieces of plywood respectively. And here it is, folks, an equal space divider. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a wonderful week.